Alright, how's it going, you guys? Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to do a quick little unboxing and install of the Collective Works front license plate mount for the MQB platform. I believe this works on both facelift and pre-facelift. This one specifically, obviously for the R, but yeah, no, they're really cool. They're quick release license plate mounts. I see on my comments plenty of times you guys hate my front license plate. I hate it too. However, it's something we have to deal with when we're in New Hampshire. So of course, when taking photos, something that can quickly pop right off is something that I'd like to have. So let's get this thing unboxed. I'll show you guys kind of what the packaging is like. I can already see through the bubble wrap that they have a really cool kind of package design and so on. So let's get this thing unwrapped. All right, guys. So let's get to unboxing this thing. I do apologize for the household appliances in the background. We have the dishwasher going ham, egg, and cheese on some dishes that we forgot to run prior to us leaving. Alright, so this package includes the back plate, the front plate, the spacer, the license bracket, hardware, and Allen key tool, PPF kit. You name it, all the bells and whistles. Super cool. I'm way impressed. I can already tell, I'm gonna run this one and replace the current one that I have on the car, that side mount. I really did like the side mount, but the issue with it just coming off and on, you really just drilling it and going, removing one thing after the other, it's kind of a pain in the butt. So this looks like our bracket. Again, I'm new to this. I haven't really, there's no installation videos, I don't think, online. All right, so we unboxed everything. First thing to mention is, I love the quality. It's way better than the one that I have on now. As you know, the one that I have on now is plastic, it's not terribly expensive, but still $100+ for something plastic that the threading over time will wear out. This is metal. Very pleased with this. Here's some of our brackets as well. Again, we'll learn how to throw this on. It looks pretty darn straightforward, and this is pretty neat. Check out this. And best of all, if you look closely, see if we can get some focus. I'm on a wide angle lens, I do apologize, but that is their logo. I've never seen that before. That is so cool. Last but not least, our paint protection, if we decide to utilize that. Cool. I think it's time to throw it on the car. I'm really excited to replace the one that we have on currently. And let's get a quick release license plate mount on there. All right, time to take off this one. Now, as you guys notice, we have some we have an upgrade, some tools, finally. Santa was very generous to New England Pete. I have always kind of, for the nearly 7 years of doing this, I have always had the wrong stuff. And that changes now. The car is going to be gross. I do apologize. We do live in the New England, but make do with what you have, right? That's a little concerning. I forgot I only had 3 screws on there, but yeah, check it out. So that's what's coming off. And this, look how long that is. See, that's what I'm talking about, guys. This kind of just gets a little old. These are all the steps. Again, watch this. Do you really want to do this every single time you take off your plate? All right. That is disgusting. So dirty, but it's my daily, so. Pretty cool idea. But at the end of the day, for me, I like taking off my plate. This looks so much cleaner without a front plate. Any car will, and if you think otherwise, you are wrong. Looks like this is gonna be our backing plate. As you guys can see, there's a lip on all 4 corners. And it looks like this is gonna be on the face. So this will be facing this way, and this will probably be facing this way, something like that. So let's get to it. Got no paint protection film this time. Again, I might remove it and do the paint protection film. Probably in the springtime I'll clean it, but right now it's just so dirty and I could kind of care less. All right, so we put the backing plate in there. Now what we're gonna do is put in these flatheads. See how it sits flush? Very, very nice. Understand why this will definitely be the one that stays in the car, but you won't really see it because obviously it is, it's black. So let's hold on to the backing plate, just make sure that doesn't go anywhere. And then what we're gonna do is hope we start to see some threading. It's looking pretty good on there. If I just had to stare at that all day, I would have no issue. Now, the most important thing to know now is obviously I think this part goes on next. So orientation is key. I assume this will probably be the front facing part of it, but let's just consult our manual to double check, shall we? So after that's done, it looks like we're pretty much home stretch. This is one of the easiest installs you guys have seen on this channel. And as I always say, what do I say, guys? You remember? I say, when I can do it, anyone can. And that is the truth. So, it looks like the hardware we're going to use, this plate part on. And again, it's not threaded, so you don't really have to fight anything at this stage. I'm so impressed that this is metal for the price and everything. It's just, everything is really tying in nicely. So, that looks pretty good. Again, we're gonna have some play here, but again, you can kind of decide if you, for some strange reason, if you want it kind of to the side a little bit like this. Maybe, you know, obviously that's just for fine adjustments, but I guess for now it's, you know, I don't find any use for that. You guys like the Crocs and the socks? I brought it back. This was an old throwback, an old fit that I used to rock, and yeah. Let's just make sure that's all good. That's on there, guys. You don't want to do it too tight, obviously. It's, you know, you are still threading into that, the 3D plastic. Looks like you want to just throw a little washer on here. And, yeah. Oh, heavens. Oh, heavens. All right, and just like that, we have a super, super clean license plate. This is like, I think, the first time I've ever had a license plate right there on any of my cars. So it looks extremely legal. It kind of just, yeah, I like it. So obviously to take it off the quick release, you have to take off the plate. All right, you guys, we're gonna conclude the video right here, but I'm really impressed with this license plate mount. As you guys would suspect, obviously no drilling of any holes, and really, really high quality stuff. You know, it's quick release, just pop off that plate, and the bracket, you just take it off the back plate, and it's just like that. If you kind of picture the license plate not being here, if you recall when I was installing it, once you take this off, there's kind of like a access hole to the back plate, and you just unscrew that, and the whole assembly comes out just like that. Easy in, easy out. You know, and for someone who really likes to go out, take pictures of the car, not worry about, you know, running out without a plate, it's really nice. It's super, super nice to have. So super stoked for this. If you guys still want to know, of course, the company, that's how Collective works. They're super, super new to the game, but they're honestly probably the leading as far as MQB, Mark 7, Mark 7.5. They have Mark 8. They have it all, guys. Any kind of MQB car, I would assume. I don't know about the Audis yet, but they have a lot of stuff to kind of at least take care of the Golfs. So really, really happy with it. You know, this is going to be the new plate for the car, and it's kind of funny because now everything, you know, it's symmetrical, and that's how I like things to be. You know, a lot of people like to run the side plates, but realistically, you know, I know this is not doing any damage to the car because look how much space we have. It's just, you know, and it's sturdy. It's not going anywhere. But yeah, I think I'm going to end it there. So thank you guys so much for watching, and this will probably be my final video of 2022. So that means going into 2023, we're going to have some awesome changes. The Golf R is staying, but we're going to have some new parts. I'm not done with the build. We have some wheels coming for the car, so the car is going to be really looking quite sharp soon, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So with that said, thank you and have a happy new year.